Children, today we will be doing unit chapter number 10, Paramveer Chakra from your reader book. So let's read what is Paramveer Chakra and things related about it. Do you know that the Indian armed forces deploy thousands of soldiers who work tirelessly to guard our country? These soldiers often lose their lives in their efforts to defend the country from the enemy. How does our country honor these soldiers? Let us read to find out. The Paramveer Chakra (PVC) is India's highest gallantry award. Gallantry means bravery award, okay? Established on 26th of January 1950, it is awarded for showing utmost courage in the battlefield during wartime. Utmost means the maximum, the most extreme, okay? This award is considered to be the highest honor after the Bharat Ratna award. After Bharat Ratna award, it is considered to be the most, highest honorable award. Literally, Paramveer Chakra means the wheel or cross of the ultimate brave. Param means ultimate. Veer, pronounced as Veer, means brave. And Chakra means wheel in Sanskrit. The medal of Paramveer Chakra was designed by an eminent designer, Savitri Khanolkar. Okay, you have to remember these names, children. Also, this one you have to remember here. And the meaning, you have to remember these meaning. परम का मतलब होता है अल्टीमेट, वीर का मतलब होता है ब्रेव और चक्रा का मतलब होता है व्हील. ऑलराइट, आपको ये सब याद रखना है. Since then, Paramveer Chakra has been awarded to 21 soldiers belonging to the different wings of Indian Armed Forces. Okay, जब से ये इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है 26 जनवरी 1950 से परमवीर चक्र 21 सोल्जर्स को अवॉर्डेड है. 20 हैव बीन फ्रॉम द इंडियन आर्मी एंड 1 हैव बीन फ्रॉम इंडियन एयरफोर्स, जिसमें से कि 20 आर्मी के हैं, इंडियन आर्मी के, और 1 जो है वो इंडियन एयरफोर्स के हैं. फर्स्ट परमवीर चक्र वॉज अवॉर्डेड टू अ valiant soldier. Valiant matlab here brave soldier, Major Somnath Sharma, who fought bravely against the enemy in the Indo-Pak War in the year 1947. चलो 1947 में इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बीच में एक वॉर हुआ था, जिसमें कि मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा को पहला परमवीर चक्र अवार्ड किया गया था. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दीज नेम्स एंड द ईयर ऑफ द अवॉर्डी. ओके, जब ये अवार्ड दिया गया था. सी, you have to remember these lines. Alright, children? Okay. He was the company commander of Kumaon Regiment in the Indian Army. Children, you have to remember these names and the lines, okay? Major Somnath Sharma was born on 31st January 1923. His father, Major Amarnath Sharma, was a military officer. The government of India paid tribute to Major Somnath Sharma for his supreme sacrifice. Now see, here his father's name has been given, and he was also a military officer. Okay, and the government had paid a tribute. Tribute का मतलब होता है to show respect to someone. Okay, उनके sacrifice को government ने respect पे किया in the in the form of Paramveer Chakra. Okay, and there are some other Paramveer Chakra recipients, and these are as follows. Here is a list given of all the people who have been awarded the Paramveer Chakra children. You have to learn these names. Okay, these can be asked. These are very important names in Indian history, and you have to remember all of them. At least 10 of them, if not 20 of them, at least 10 of them. Okay, so that's it about today children. आज इतना ही हम पढ़ेंगे. On page number 98 and 99, there are 20 recipients who have got Paramveer Chakra, who's been awarded Paramveer Chakra. These are valiant soldiers of Indian Army. You have to remember their pictures and names together. All right. So that's it for today, children. Thank you so much.